So, welcome back guys to our channel. Today we are gonna cook some eggs, real eggs, yeah? They're coming from real chickens, not the fake one. And that's why today we are in this farmer's market. And yeah, we're gonna go have some little bit of shopping and you can follow us in our journey. Hallo. Hallo. Für 2 Schale bitte. Und die sind die XL. Ja. We are working with XL. We like XL. We don't like something little. That's why we choose the most biggest one. There you go. Pick up. Yeah, they're so big, you can't even close it. So, yeah. So, here, we are gonna buy some chives because we need them.
Aber mich nicht mit
So, the next things we're gonna need is some tomatoes. Yeah. Just pick up some different tomatoes here, and you can also this one. Okay, I'll just pick up some. Probably 2 mushrooms. Garlic. So let's just need some onions. Those are good ones. So welcome back guys. Now we are at home. We are finished with shopping and we're gonna make so delicious kind of eggs today and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Here we have some tomatoes, garlic, some pepper, mushrooms, chives, some onions, of course eggs, and cast iron pan, which is actually, if you use cast iron pan, it's very good. It's very healthy actually, and the food is gonna taste, for me, is a lot better to cook in a cast iron pan. These tomatoes, I just want to explain something about. It's not like a normal tomatoes you buy in a grocery store. They are really like juicy, healthy, and taste a lot better. If you don't believe me, go to farmer's market, buy 1 tomato there, cut it in half, and go to grocery store, buy a tomato, cut it in half, smell both of them. The one that you buy in the grocery store smell like probably nothing or plastic. But the one that you buy from like this farmer's market, they taste like real tomatoes, you know. And for us, especially in Europe, it's kind of like hard to find the natural tomatoes or green stuff like this. So I'm gonna cook it and we are gonna go and look how we can cook it. And this is of course my style. You can cook it in many different style, but I like this and I like this style. So let's go. That's how big I want them to be. See? You don't want to make them so small, just like normal. Let's go with our breakfast beer. Elephant. Mein Lieblingsbier. Which means my lovely beer. Don't rush, let them cook very slowly. Garlic. We don't want to burn the garlic, that's why I add them a bit at the end. Now we let them cook.
Making green tea with Now we just have to let it steep for like 5-10 minutes.
Curcuma or turmeric. Salt and pepper. Now that they're almost ready, they're not ready, but they're gonna be ready in like 5 minutes or 6-7 minutes. I'm adding my chives here because I also want them to cook a little bit. Don't want to mix them so much, just like to get them all over. Yeah. Now as you see, they're already like done. You don't see any more water around. Now it's the time we add our eggs. You also don't want to pop the yolks, you know? I mean, it's possible, but try not to. You see how the yellow yolks look like? Because they're natural. Stir them like a little bit after like 1 minute. Now we put the lid on because we also want the top to cook.
Do you want to bite?
Memak school.
Goed. 1 dollar.